Alright, so got the motor built, got it put together, got accessories on it, getting ready to drop it in. But I want to take a look at the clutch we got for it. Monster clutch. It's a super nice clutch setup. Got it with the master cylinder. I actually have a TIC Performance slave cylinder. Look at there. But yeah, I was really impressed with the quality of this. Even the packaging is amazing. Super heavy clutch. Hey, look at that. That is super cool. But flywheel, stage 2. It's about all we really need for this. Pretty nice kit. But that's the clutch we're going to use for it. Alright, so got the GTO in the shop. Getting ready to drop the motor in. First thing I need to do is change the slave cylinder. Put the new TIC Performance adjustable master cylinder on it. Then I get that monster clutch put on the motor and start trying to drop it in. This is the TIC Performance adjustable master cylinder kit. You know, TIC makes some really nice products. I actually ordered this and the monster clutch straight through them. But got your feed line, got your bleed line, everything to make it adjustable. New flywheel, clutch bolts, which monster clutch already comes with new clutch bolts. And this here is actually the kit that I used to repair the cylinder head holes, threads for the head bolts. It's a really nice kit. This kit's like $500, but when you put new heads on and pull a thread, you ain't really got a choice. But it's a really, really nice kit. Saved me because I didn't know what I was gonna do until I seen this kit. TimeCert makes some really good products. I use them a lot for like M8 bolts and stuff like that. But because I'm gonna go do some reading, see what it takes to do this, and get it put on. Alright, so we got the motor in. Goes in pretty good. The only problem with the GTO is the way the back of the oil pan goes over the rack. We had to actually drop the subframe down in the back to actually get it in the splines of the transmission. But it slipped right in. I mean, everything on this car is so easy to hook up and work on. It's not like an F body where it's tucked under the window cowl. But got a few little things left to do. You gotta bolt the headers up, get the intake on it. I mean, really, that's it. We've already finished the bottom side. Got the TIC Performance hydraulic line. It deletes the rubber line under the car, so that's pretty nice. Like, the TIC Performance kit is really sweet because it feeds a line down and it's got a factory connector that plugs in to the hard line that goes into bell housing. So you actually, to put this kit on, you don't even have to pull the transmission. Really, really nice. All right, let's see if it cranks. Prime the fuel pump a few times. Well, runs. Definitely gonna need some tuning. Let's see if I can get it to idle. I'm gonna get it idle and I'll come back in. Looks like it needs some solid mount. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna have to put some different motor mounts on this car because this motor shakes way too much. And actually the power steering pulley down here, I had to put a piece of tape on the pipe. But motor shakes so much that I guess under hard acceleration, power steering pulley's rubbing the bottom of the pipe. So probably gonna have to we got a new filter on the way for this pipe, but we're probably gonna have to just get a whole nother kit because I'm sure he don't want to put duct tape on it. But like I said, we're going to have to probably do some solid mounts or some polys. I mean, they're pretty cheap. All right, well, I took it around the block. Clutch is working great. Motor's running good. It runs good enough without being tuned to actually put some miles on it, get it broke in. And, you know, it runs rich, but it does run. Drives pretty damn good. So I'm going to put a few miles on it here in the next few days. Get it ready for tuning. I'm going to have to put some injectors in. I'm not sure what size I want to put. I'm pretty sure the injectors are too small, being factory Ls2 injectors, to actually tune this. So probably going to have to go with some fast 36 pounds, maybe Holley's injectors. I'm not sure yet. But I guess this is it. We're almost done. Next video, we should be on the dyno. So look forward to that. But I appreciate you watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.